As Sanford Health Athletic Complex construction enters its 23rd month, access to new areas of the Shields Center got a lot easier with 2 new elevators and a stairwell to the south end of the concourse. Major changes are visible at the nutrition bar, along with the strength and conditioning and ticket offices on the first floor. Installation of glass, door frames, ceiling grid, and lighting fixtures continue to bring offices on the second floor closer to completion. Reporting for GoBison.com, I'm Ryan Nelson.